Liu Wu is a Chinese actor. In 2024, he starred in Amidst, a Snowstorm of Love. Wu Lei was born in Shanghai in 1999 and was raised in Chengdu, Sichuan. In 2018, Wu entered Beijing Film Academy, placing first on the entrance examination. In 2022, he starred in the popular historical romance series Love Like the Galaxy alongside Zhao Lucy. Wu was cast in the films Dwelling by the West Lake by Zhu Shaogang and All Airs by Liu Cixin and the metropolitan romance drama Nothing But You. In 2018, Wu starred in the fantasy epic Asura. Then he appeared in the fantasy adventure series The Tomb of Sea, written by the author of Daomu Biji, and Battle Through the Heavens, a fantasy action drama based on the popular Shanzha novel of the same name. The same year, he was featured in historical film Shadow by acclaimed director Zhang Yimou. In 2015, Wu starred as Li Xiaoyao in the web drama Pull In and endorsed the video game of the same name. The series gained over 300 million views and became a popular topic online. This was followed by well-received supporting role in youth sports drama The Whirlwind Girl and historical drama Nirvana in Fire, which led to increased recognition for Wu. Zhao Jinmai is a Chinese actress. In 2024, she starred in Amidst, a Snowstorm of Love. In 2019, Zhao starred in the film The Wandering Earth, which was adapted from Liu Cixin's novel, playing the lead female character. The film is one of the highest-grossing films in China and led to increased recognition for Zhao. The same year, she gained recognition for her role in the family drama Growing Pain. She also played the lead female role in the youth romance drama A Little Thing Called First Love. In 2020, Zhao was admitted to the Central Academy of Drama, China's top drama school, as the best-ranked incoming student in the Department of Acting. In 2016, she starred in the urban family drama A Love for Separation, which was popular and introduced Zhao to a wider audience. In 2017, Zhao starred in the modern drama My Physical Education Teacher. In 2018, Zhao starred in the comedy film Go Brother.